Oh, yes. I am back with my favorite person in the kitchen, guys.
Alright. I was wondering if you're coming back.
Oh, yes, for sure. Couldn't miss this.
Okay, alright. Sesame puff pastry, it's made from scratch.
Okay, so puff pastry made from scratch. Oh. Okay.
Like this one is on this over here.
Well, you know, so you love watching you are cooking. What is this? Is this for the fish patty filling?
Fish? Yes, to make a fish patty.
Okay. So would you say that the fish patties here are very good?
Fish patty.
Alright.
I'm gonna take this.
Make it seem a little bit.
Yes.
What kind of fish? Smell good, eh? What kind of fish? Tilapia? Snapper? Nice. So, let me ask you a big question. I'm gonna ask you a question. Do the Jamaicans love your fish patties?
Yes, it's fish patty.
Uh-huh.
I sauteed the fish first.
Yep.
We saw earlier.
Yep.
And I made a cream sauce, like made from butter, flour, but not not loose flour. So I just use straight cream.
Okay.
Right. Make a cream, so it's so probably juicy after it big.
Mm-hmm.
Have a moisture.
Okay.
In it. So it won't be too dry.
So it won't be too dry. Cool.
After when this is finished, I'm not going to bake them.
You're not going to bake them?
I'm not going to bake them. I'm going to leave them for whoever working on the night shift.
Uh-huh.
Person who's working on the night shift will bake them.
Oh no, I wanted to see them bake.
Would it be here at that time?
I'm coming back tonight to watch you
You're
guys.
coming back tonight?
Yeah.
Okay, because I was wondering if you want me to bake one for you.
Yes, you could bake one for me. Yeah.
You want me to bake one
Yes,
for you?
thank you.
Alright, I'll do that for you then.
Alright.
I didn't really want it so much, but...
Okay.
Alright. Okay. I'd like to see on.
Okay, is that egg one? Is that the egg
I'm
wash?
sorry, okay? Because I leave my crimper.
Okay.
So I'm going to use a fork to crimp them.
That's okay. Most persons who watch cook at home and they don't have a crimper. So
Alright.
the fork is okay.
So, okay. Alright.
Ah. So it's like a little mini patty. A little baby patty.
Yes. Yes. Flakes of venison.
Okay.
I don't really always use this puff pastry.
Yeah.
I mostly use flaky pastry.
Flaky pastry. Yeah.
Yes. To do my patties.
Okay.
But since I just have this, so I just work with this for the time being.
Okay, so right now you're just using a puff pastry, but you usually use your flaky pastry.
Right, I
Gotcha.
use flaky pastry for my patties.
Okay, flaky for patties.
Right.
Yeah.
But puff pastry goes for butter buns or ham and cheese custard or something like that.
Okay.
Yes.
Guys, before I forget, let me just say welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. She moves so quick in the kitchen, I could hardly do my introduction. Even when I'm trying to do my cinematics, she's just like, she's really fast in the kitchen, so that's good to see. She's gonna give me the opportunity to try one of the pizzas now. Not the pizzas, one of the fish patties now. Usually she does it with flaky pastry, but this time she's using a puff pastry. That might change the texture of the crust, but we're gonna see what the filling is like, and I'll tell you exactly what I think about it. So what does the egg wash do?
Egg wash?
Yeah, what does it do?
We give it a golden brown.
A golden brown, okay.
Yes, golden brown.
Okay.
Alright. Bring air bubbles.
Oh, to remove air bubbles.
Here.
Okay.
Get hot. Steam come through.
Okay.
Alright. So this is going to be for appetizer later.
Oh, so the appetizer.
Yes,
Okay.
it's appetizer. So what you say I have you on the table, I'm not going to cook them.
Okay.
Freeze them until later.
Okay, so you can freeze those few
Right.
and then later.
For later days.
Okay.
Alright.
Cool.
Going to rice. After they one flavor so.
Yes, make sure mine is the nicest one.
Can leave it. Just in case if I leave and you don't see me, just ask for it.
Okay.
Kitchen. I'll leave it up here. But I'm going to look after it, right?
Okay.
The rest is in the cooler
Okay.
until the night shift came in.
Alright. Alright, if we by chance have a chef that's watching the video right now, please drop it in the comments and let us know how easy it is to be a chef or how difficult it is to be a chef, because let me tell you, man, it's a lot of work that goes into it. They work hours being on their feet. It's not just cooking only, they have to prep things. So you realize now Pam is making a batch of patties and she's putting it down for the next chef. So that person's work is a little bit less for the next time around. Or just having to make sure that they clean up after themselves, you know, so everything can be nice and clean around. Yo, it's not the easiest of jobs, even though I like it in here, because in here it's pretty cool, literally. Just look at her, guys. She's moving from that room to the fridge. She's everywhere, man. She is literally everywhere. Okay, so this one is gonna be mine.
Right, I'm going to try to go over.
Okay, cool.
I just need to swim away. About 10-15 minutes because it's just one.
Okay,
Yeah,
doesn't take long.
About 10-15 minutes.
All right.
It's so long.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bake on 350 degrees.
350 degrees.
350 degrees. As I told you before, it
Okay.
take about 10 to 15
10 to 15 minutes. Okay.
Because this is just one.
Just one. All right.
Yeah, but if it's like for a whole tray, it will take 20 minutes. Closing that oven.
Okay.
So takes 20 minutes.
So that oven is like more up to date? It's like a better oven?
Yes.
Oh.
It takes 20 minutes and a regular calculation.
Okay. So you see that this oven is digital.
Right. If I use this one,
Yeah.
it takes 20 minutes to finish.
20
But
minutes.
that one is so much faster.
Okay.
It will take the same, that same tray will take about 10 to
Okay.
18 minutes.
All right. Cool. Guys, I am tired trying to keep up with Pam.
I'm out. So, alright. So, when I'm finished, I'll set it up so you can have it.
Okay.
Alright,
Cool.
I'll send our friends along. I'll send her the call.
All right. No problem.
Ready? Alright.
All right. I'll see you then. Thank you.
Back to square
All
one.
right.
Alright.
Yeah, that was interesting. Yo, there are some people in life, like when you meet them, it's just that their energy is just, it's very, very nourishing. And hands down, let me tell you, Pam's energy is just great. You know, it's not easy being on a camera, someone following you around in your place of work, seeing what you're doing, that you get the whole gist of it. But her energy was just so nurturing, where she wanted to show you guys how it is that it works in a hotel kitchen, you know, well, from the pastry chef side, you know, so that was very nice to see. If you guys also enjoyed Pam's energy, you know, the way that she showed me how to do the fish patties, and also you as well, drop a comment, you know, say big up to Pam, because she was really legend, you know, in the kitchen today. Also, if you do ever come to Charela Inn, you know, feel free to ask if Pam is the one that's making your cakes today, which chances are she's going to be the one doing it. She's been here for some years. All right, so anyway, speaking of being here for years, I think this is very important when it comes down to cooking food. You know, whenever you come back to this hotel, you expect the food to be a particular way. So it's good that we know the chefs have been here for quite some time. Anyway, I'm just gonna wait on my dish to pop out. We can taste it. I'll tell you how good it is. As I said before, I think patties are not the easiest things to make, so let's see.
Oh, I am here, Pam. I am back. Ooh. All right.
Alright, since you can also check.
Yes,
Maybe you
ma'am.
won't want it to taste it, but I'm not sure. So I'll give you a nice second cut.
All right.
Alright.
All right. So this patty definitely look very sexy. I like how the patty look. All right. So we're gonna cut into this. Oh, it's definitely a flaky pastry. See how flaky that is, guys. Look on the inside. Oh, all right. Let's do this. Wow. This is very good.
Okay.
This is really good. Try that, guys. What do you find is the difference between a flaky pastry and your usual pastry?
With flaky pastry, it's less grease and it will give from a crunch. For crunch,
Yeah.
and yes.
But this crunch is definitely lighter.
But they get a different crunch and they
Ooh.
puff pastry. And it's less grease.
Honestly, I like the puff pastry. This works.
The flaky pastry is less grease.
Oh, less grease, yeah.
Yes.
True.
So everything is from scratch. What I do, fresh, everything, fresh herbs, everything is fresh.
So fresh herbs.
Everything
first.
thyme, garlic, no additive. Just fresh herb. First seasoning, just salt and pepper, garlic, scallion, thyme, everything added.
Guys. But everything was so nice. Oh my god. Wow. Look at the flakes, guys.
individual little crisp. Look at that. Right there. And then inside here is just so soft. Wow. Good job, man. This is excellent. Really nice. You're welcome.
Oh, that's the final touch, okay.
Alright. It's really good. Really, really good. No joke. Alright, Pam, we'll be seeing you.
My final journey?
Yes, thanks
So you
again.
have to go home.
Excellent job. Safe trip home.
Alright.
Wow. Guys, Pam proved me wrong. If you're a Jamaican, you know that patties is like, I don't know, it's for me it's up there with jerk chicken. It's one of those dishes, if you come back to Jamaica, you have to try. Now, the places that traditionally make patties out here, we'll all have the debate which is better, Tasties or juicy beef patties. If you think it's Tasties or you think it's juicy beef patties, drop it in the comments and let us know. Now, I use both those patties as the landmark of what you expect to be a good patty. Let me tell you, that patty that she just made just now was extraordinary. It was that good. Now, there were some things I was looking for, key factors. Just the hardest part is really the crust. The hardest part in any patty is the crust. And I was worried that the flaky pastry method might be a little bit too flaky, but it was very light. It was very good. Another taste element that I normally look for is this kind of this dough butteriness that you get on the inside of the patty, where it's really hard to replicate, and I was tasting little hints of it. Of course, it's never going to be exactly like the Tasties patties. This one actually tastes a little bit more uptown. It was very classically made, everything done from scratch, nothing mass produced, and I think that's what just put it over the top. There's only one place that I've ever tried outside of Tasties or Juicy Beef that I find to be good patties, and I'm not even going to say Golden Crust in the US. There is this place called, oh my gosh, you know what, screw it, my brethren will drop it in the comments. The K-Star, drop in the comments, name that place. I will go to Miami and I will review the patties there, because the patty there is awesome. Matter of fact, let me just ask him really quick.
Hey,
Yo, thank God. Bro, what's the name of the patties in Miami? Where you at?
Sangos.
Sangos, that's all I need to hear. Thank you. Catch you later, bro.
Alright.
I got the name, Sangos. Sangos is the only other place that I've ever had a patty that I'm like, yo, it's very similar to Jamaican patties. Anyway, they passed the test here at Charela Inn. The patty here is really good. You can try it as your appetizer whenever you come here, if it is available. Well, anyway, guys, if you appreciated Pam allowing me back into her kitchen space to film all of this so you guys can see the process of how she makes her fish patties, drop a like on the video or just put in the comments, Soai excited. And remember these three things, man: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.